Welcome, everyone, to another RLT Pivot podcast. Thank you so much for joining us. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that if you find value in what we do, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. My name is Tracy. I'm one of your hosts, and I'm here with my co-host, Dan Jansen. How's it going, Dan?
I can honestly say I am super psyched. Brand new, different little concept that we're doing this week. We got some amazing guests with us today. I can't wait to introduce them. And yeah, we're in it to win it. We're doing a little trend or send is the name of this game that we're playing here on the Pivot Podcast. So Tracy, without further ado, we got somebody we have to introduce. Can you give us a little shout to our judge today?
Well, let's just get over to our game show thing, and we are going to be bringing on, as a judge, Mr. Thomas Wong. You all know him. So, Thomas, how's it going? It's great to see you.
Hey, Tracy, Dan, glad to be here.
What is up, Thomas? If you guys don't know Thomas, he's absolutely murdering the markets in and out every single day. Just an amazing guy. I was in the mentorship group with him. If you guys have not done any mentorship programs, make sure you take one with Thomas Wong. And just so you guys know too, the entire show is about terminology. I don't think there's a better judge or somebody just that knows more about terminology of the market, the ins, the outs, the technicals, than this man right here, Thomas Wong. So awesome to have him as a judge here as well. Tracy, who's our guest though? Who are you playing today?
All right, well, our first guest is Mr. Joey, and let's bring Joey on. Oh, that's the wrong one. Here we go.
So excited to have you. Confetti. This is incredible.
There we go. There's Joey.
Wow.
All right. Who is up next?
All right, we got my man Lucian. Lucian, come on down. Your price is right.
There is Lucian.
Where's the confetti for Lucian? We saw the special high-tech graphic on Joey.
Wow. Here, you want the group? Here we go. There we go.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we got Lucian. Keep that party going. And then we got I don't even know where the confetti comes from. That effect just cost us $50,000 every time we shoot that fake cannon off. It's unbelievable. All right, we have our next guest as well. Thomas, do you want to introduce our next guest?
Our last but not least, our third contestant is Mithin.
Welcome, Mithin.
Can we get a cannon for a minute? Where's the confetti? I need some more confetti in my life.
There we go.
Yes.
Okay.
The man,
there we go.
The legend right here. Unbelievable. This is great. All right, so all three of you guys, again, this podcast is based on terminology. So we're going to ask you questions. We have Thomas here basically just to take the impact. So if you guys are upset with, you don't agree that's not the right definition, whatever, you guys get mad only at Thomas, not me or Tracy, all right? That's got to be understood. You guys are playing for a very special prize. This is the book Money Grows on Trees by one of my best friends, Jerremy Newsome. This book, very special. If you guys have not picked one up, you guys could go to Amazon for all you guys watching. It is sold on there. This edition we dip in 24 karat gold, and then we let the gold settle. Then we peel off the gold because the knowledge in the book is worth more than gold. So you guys will get a copy for the winner of this book. Let's go with the first question. So, Joey, I'm going to put you in the hot seat first. And first question for you to define is, what is an ask? So in the stock market, what is the term ask used for?
That is, it's on the right side of the column. And wow. It's got those that are asking to be bought into the stock at that price.
Thomas,
okay.
Judge?
That is incorrect.
Oh, incorrect. Okay.
Incorrect. The ask is when someone wants to sell at a price.
Yeah.
So the
Awesome.
ask is the price that they're selling a stock at, or contract, or option.
All right, awesome. Tracy, I'm going to
Perfect.
have you ask the next contestant, the beautiful Lucian, his question number 2. Here we go.
All right, Lucian, what is a broker?
Kind of in the a broker is somebody who handles your buy and sell transactions
Thomas?
of stocks.
All right. Yeah, I'll
What's
take
that?
that. I'll take that answer. Correct.
All right.
It's an individual firm
Lucian
that
on the
arranges
board.
the buys and sells of a stock.
All right, very good. All right, Lucian surviving round 1 or question 1. All right, my boy Midden. What? Very similar to the first question, but what is a bid? What is a bid?
Bid is a value which someone is looking to sell a stock whenever a trader.
It's incorrect.
Oh, sorry. That's the other way around.
It's the
Okay.
price at which
Bid-
someone wants
bid
to
is
buy
someone
the
is-
stock at.
Yeah, buy.
Somebody wants to buy. All right, close. We
Bid and
got him.
offer.
We got him a little twisted on round 1. Lucian, you're on the board. We got you up there, but don't worry, Joey and Mitten. We do have plenty
right.
more questions. So, next question, Tracy. Do you want to give
Yep.
throw Joey a difficult one over there?
Joey, what
have
is
to
a
be that
bear? What is a bear?
It is someone who wants the market to go down. He short plays.
That is correct.
All right, Joey's on the board. Nice. All right, Lucian.
Good job.
Let's see if we get a follow-up. Let's go for 2 for 2. What is a bear market?
A bear market is a market that is going down. I believe technically it has to be down 10% in order to be considered a bear market.
Very
Correct.
specific, Thomas. Correct. All right. We got Lucian on the board 2. Joey 1. Mitten, we got, don't worry, but only ask one question. Here's your chance to tie it up with Joey. Tracy, want
Mitten.
to ask?
What is a bull?
The bull is someone who believes the market will go up and he goes for a long position.
That is correct.
All right. I was going to say a
Yay.
furry animal with horns. Good thing that question wasn't asked to me. All right. The next question is to Joey. Joey, what is a bull market?
One that is trending upwards. I'm gonna go with the 10% that Lucian said earlier, but one that is constantly trending upwards. That's a bull market.
One that is constantly trending upwards is correct. There you go.
All right.
Awesome.
Joey's on
All
a
right,
run right now.
Lucian. What
Be nice.
is a what is a day order?
A day order is a trade that you get in and out of on the same day.
I will not take that. That is incorrect.
Ooh, you being very Simon Cowell over there.
Wow,
All right. What
Thomas, you
would
didn't
you
like
take,
that?
Thomas?
Technical here. A day order is an order in which has to be filled during that day. Your answer fulfills another question in my mind.
All right.
So that's the
This is
entry
why-
you're
this is why
talking about,
nobody
right?
Get mad at me.
Yeah.
Thomas is here to take all the blow. All right. All right.
Let's just explain that day order just a little bit more. Okay, let's just
Okay.
explain that day order just a little bit more. So what Thomas is saying is the day order. It's a type of order, and I guess it's an instruction to the broker that says it needs to be executed within that day. Otherwise, at the end of the day, it'll cancel itself out, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't exist anymore.
right.
Once the market closes, that order is gone.
Perfect.
All right. Next question. Mitten. Day trade. What is a day trade?
When you enter and exit in a trade within the same day, so you are not holding overnight, so that is a day trade.
That is correct.
Thomas, taking it. All right. Awesome. All right, Tracy.
Nice.
back
All
to you.
right. Joey, are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is a whopper. What is a day trader?
That is someone who buys and sells instruments during in a one market day, like he doesn't hold things overnight or long periods of time.
That is correct.
All right, awesome. Thomas, can we get a rundown on the score real quick before we go to Lucian?
Joey has just taken the lead with 3 points. Lucian has 2, and Mithin has 2 points.
Neck and neck. Ooh.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about, my friend.
All right, very close.
All right.
Lucian, next question. What is good till cancel, also known as GTC?
Good till cancel is a type of order you put in order to keep that order open until you go in and physically cancel it.
That is correct.
Pew, pew, pew. Lucian got it.
Nice.
All right.
All right, Mithin. What is a blue chip stock?
So blue chip stocks are like the famous stocks which are multi-billion dollar stocks, which are heavily respected, like something like FANG, Apple, and all those stocks, which people normally say they are good for investment. Those stocks are the blue chip stocks.
I'll take that answer. That is
All
correct.
right. Nailed it.
And
All right.
typically, blue chip stocks can also be identified because they offer dividends as well. That's usually a common thing. Just for our listeners out there, we're going to add that in there for them as well. Awesome.
All right,
Okay, who's
Joey.
next?
All right, Joe. This one, I'm hoping you get. What is a bull market?
Okay. Let's see. It's a constantly trending to the long side market in which
I think Joey had that question
I already had that question
already.
We're doubling down. Oh, I thought it was a daily double. Okay. I got it right here.
I thought he had
so
bear
we're gonna move
market.
on. Joey, we'll set you up with another one. What is close?
to close out an open trade in which you have entered at some point.
Yes, but no, not what we were looking for.
Oh, yes, but no. That is the most confusing goddamn answer or response I've ever heard in my life. Thomas, please explain that one.
So we were talking about the close as in the close of the market.
Oh,
The time the market closes each and every
I
day.
got you.
Very close.
All right, Lucian. What is a dividend?
A dividend is a amount of money paid to a shareholder, and it's based on a percentage of the current stock price, usually paid quarterly.
I'll take that as the correct answer.
All right.
What's important to
Nice.
remember is that a dividend comes from a company's earnings.
Good point. Good point.
Awesome. Nice.
It
You
is
snuck in there.
paid
Got
quarterly.
it. Get the
percentage
job
of
done,
the
and that's
stock
what's
price
important.
is something that's paid out by the company to shareholders.
Awesome.
Awesome.
All right. Next question is for you. What is an exchange?
So, like exchange is a place where when we enter an order, someone is buying and selling. All those orders are routed from multiple brokers to the one institution. Something like NASDAQ is one of the exchange. So all the trades, they are the final entity where all the buy and sells are going on. That's called the exchange.
That's correct.
Takes it. All right.
Awesome. Joey, what is execution?
That is when your trade has been accepted by an exchange or by a broker to either buy or sell, get in or get out.
That's correct.
All right.
All right. Awesome. Sweating
It's
that one,
not-
Joey. Sweating.
It's not just
Specifically when
accepted.
it's completed, though. Specifically
Yes,
when it's
yeah.
completed.
Completed.
So a
All
sent
right.
is when it's just sent, and then a execution is when it's completed.
Gotcha.
All right.
Thank you
All
for
right, very
accepting the
good.
answer.
Joey, how much did you pay Thomas to accept it? It's unbelievable. Bribe him. All right. Next question is for my boy Lucian. Lucian, what is high? In terms of stock market,
high?
Lucian, what is high?
Or the high. What is the high?
Well, high is when a stock price hits a new price that's higher than any other price it has been, if you're talking about a true high.
Correct.
Thomas is taking it. Love it. Nailed it.
It could also just be the high of that particular time frame, the highest price that the stock reached during that time frame or that day or whatever you're looking at. So absolutely, when we say high, that's what we're talking about. Awesome. So Mithin, what is a moving average?
So moving average is one of the indicator which, depending upon suppose if you're putting a 200 moving average, so basically it for simple moving average, it actually aggregates and sums and create an average, like sum it and divide by that 200 if it is 200 moving average, and that gives a value. So we can have multiple moving averages. It is at the end of the day, it's an indicator, and it can be useful to decide the trend of a stock.
Correct.
Taking it. Yeah, Thomas is taking it. All right, nice job. Joey, pressure's on now, Joey. What is open?
That is when you have an active lot. Now, wait a minute. We're not talking about a trade. Are we talking about the market?
This is about the market.
Yep. The opposite of close. Open is when
Thomas,
when the market opens at my time 8:30 Central. The market becomes live to all brokers and exchanges. Is that? Or it's when your trade becomes accepted by an exchange.
No, don't oversell it. Don't oversell it. You got it right the first time. You nailed it.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Cool.
Don't talk yourself out of a correct answer. You're hanging on.
Lucian, what is an order?
An order is an instrument you use in order to indicate to the broker that you want to either buy or sell a stock.
Correct.
All right.
We are on a roll right now.
All right, my man, all the way to the right of my screen. What is a rally?
Come again, what's the question?
What is a rally?
Rally. So basically, if a stock is going up trend and it's making a continuous higher high, so we say the stock is in a rally.
I'll take it.
All right.
Correct.
Nice.
Okay, Joey, what is a stock symbol?
Stock symbol. Can you still hear me? Because I seem to have been frozen.
I can still hear you. Absolutely.
Right. Stock symbol is the the ticker, which is what it's known for. The letters in which you identify that stock.
Yeah, that's correct.
Awesome.
Yep. Thomas is taking it, and even impressive. Joey didn't move his lips once when answering that question. Absolutely, the talent of Joey.
Light bulb moment.
Do you want to get a tally before we move into the difficult questions now?
Yeah, we're going to difficult, so it's going to get a little harder from here. Thomas, where are we at? Where's our stats?
Everyone is tied at 6 points apiece.
Ooh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, Newsome is happy about that one. All right, cool. So we got a very close game. It's all neck to neck. You guys studied, prepped. We're in the difficult round. We got to move right to Lucian. Lucian, what is arbitrage?
Arbitrage, I believe, is it's something to do with writing the like the difference between. I'm not sure. I don't know.
Thomas?
All right.
Nope. Arbitrage.
That's incorrect.
That is
Come on, Thomas.
Arbitrage
Thomas, you're being
is
ridiculous
when
now.
You buy a security on one market and you're selling it on another market. So for one example would be of arbitrage could be that you're buying Alibaba on the Hong Kong exchange and doing something else on the US exchange. They're both tagged to the same underlying security.
And the whole point of arbitrage is to take advantage of the spread between the two, right?
Yeah.
So, perfect.
Good try, but hey, this is
All right.
this is the difficult round. It happens. Let's get it going.
Mithin, what is a commodity?
So commodity, like normally we talk about equities, like whenever you're talking stock, in the similar, there's something a commodity market where we can actually buy or sell crudes, cattle, and a lot of other stuff, like all the commodity sector which we consume in a day-to-day basis. Crude is one of the faces, gold, silver, so that is the commodity market.
That's correct.
Thomas is taking it. Love it. All right, back to Joey, who I think is still frozen, but with us here in voice only. What is a contract?
Contract is it's in options in which you are saying that you will purchase a certain amount of shares when it reaches a certain price.
I'll take it. Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay.
Thomas is taking it.
There's
Do you want to elaborate a little bit more? Okay.
Yeah, there's two types of contracts. There's options contracts and there's futures contracts, but they're both agreements between a buyer and seller to do something with the underlying security at a certain price.
Perfect. Great explanation. All right, Lucian, what is a daily trading limit?
Daily trading limit. That would be the limit that you're allowed to trade in a day.
I am not
Good enough
Waiting
or
on
no?
Thomas
So the
going
daily
no.
trading limit is a range that's set by the exchange and how far a certain contract can move. So it's not about what you can trade; it's about what the exchange sets for that contract.
And what happens when it reaches that limit?
It stops. It won't move past that point. It can only move the opposite direction.
So it
until
triggers a
certain amount of
circuit
time
breaker.
passes.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Awesome.
All right, moving on. Mithin, what is hedging?
So hedging is like you can say, when you have one security, either you're long and short, and if you anticipate the security can go against you, so either you are buying and protecting yourself in some form. So if you're, I'm long on Tesla, and I envision that might be a lot of choppiness and it might go down, so I might cover buying some puts so that in case if it goes down, I'll make money in the puts because I don't want to sell the Tesla share. So that's kind of a hedging my portfolio.
That's correct.
Tom, taking it. All right. Awesome. Good
All
job,
right,
good job.
Joey, what does it mean
Still
to
here.
average down?
It is when you say you buy in at a price of $100 and it goes lower than that, you buy again when price hits, say, 98, and you are averaging further down. So your buy-in is not 100 anymore. It's the difference between those two. That's my answer.
That's correct.
Awesome.
Thomas is taking it. All right.
It's not necessarily the
All right.
difference between the two, but it depends on how much you're buying at each level. But that is
Right.
correct. Buying it as
Gotcha.
it goes, the price goes down.
All right. Awesome. Very good, Lucian. Tell me what beta is.
Beta has to do, I believe, with options. No, that's gamma. Is beta is how much or no? Yeah, isn't it how far the option price will go based on a certain amount of time, I believe.
That is incorrect.
Thomas not taking it. All right. Tell us what it
So
is,
beta
Thomas.
is the measurement of how much a stock moves with respect to the overall market. So something that moves as much as the market will have a beta of 1, and something that moves more than the market has a higher volatility will have a beta that's higher than 1.
Perfect. All right, Mithin. What is an index?
So index are a collection of stocks, and there is every stock has got a weightage assigned to the index. So when a stock moves, and so it's basically a weightage of all the stocks, how they are distributed in the index, and the index will move depending upon how the stocks are moving, and that's basically a accumulation of all the stock movements. For example, SPXX is one index, NASDAQ, S&P, these are index, and Dow Jones.
That's correct.
All right. Awesome. All right. So we got Joey. Before we do, we got 4 minutes left. Thomas, could you just run us down with who's in the lead, what the scores are?
So we have Lucian with 6, Joey with 8, and Mithin with 9.
He's getting close. We're down to our final
That's what I'm
rounds.
talking about, my
All
friend.
these questions are going to weigh a little bit more. We're getting down there. Joey, what is an initial public offering?
An IPO is when a company goes public to the markets to be traded on an exchange. Final answer.
That is correct.
Final answer is
Final answer.
You can't see me stopping my, so I have to take it.
All right, Lucian, what is a margin, or what is margin?
Margin is money you borrow from your broker based on how much cash value you have in your market, that you can use as, well, typically it's used for buying power. So you can invest more than you actually have. It's a loan from your broker, basically.
That is correct.
all right. Lucian, just hanging in there. We got Mitten. What is pink sheet stocks?
So pink sheet stocks they are basically not traded those are the OTC, over the counter trades. So they are like usually the penny stocks, which are below even $1.
That is correct. Sometimes pink sheets are $5 or less, but they can be, yes, less than $1 as well.
All right.
All right. Joey, what is the share market?
Let's see. The share market is a market full of shares. I can't explain that. I have no idea.
A market full of shares. Thomas, will you accept that answer?
No.
I'm not going to accept that. Because I wasn't confident in saying it, right?
So a share market is basically any market where companies are bought and sold. Basically, it's like the stock market.
So close.
All right. So
it's a market full of shares.
Market full of shares. Thomas doesn't want to take it. I don't know. I don't understand. All right. So
I would have given it to you, Joey.
One question for each of you guys left, for Lucian and Mitten. So this is the final round, just because we're running out of time. Otherwise, I would do this all day. But Lucian, what is short selling?
Short selling is selling a stock before you've bought it in anticipation that it goes down. So you want the markets to go down when you short sell.
I'll take it.
Taking it. All right.
You're awesome.
Last and final question.
All right, Mithin, what is the spread?
So whenever you are buying or selling an instrument, there is actually the difference. There is an ask and a bid, and difference between the difference between the ask and bid is the spread.
That is correct.
Awesome. So we are out of time. So now it's time for Thomas to give us the final tally.
All right.
So nervous.
We have Joey with 10 points, Lucian with 10 points as well, and Mithin with 13 points.
13 points. All right, we got our winner, ladies and gentlemen.
So
Where's the
thank
confetti?
you very much. It's coming.
All right, congratulations. And just so you guys know,
Thank you.
I mean, I would have gotten all of those questions. Just more confetti. How much is this costing us?
It costs a lot.
Receipt for those. Yeah. When does it end? I don't want to. But just so you guys know, hang on the line. I'm going to send all you guys a copy just for being here. I would have gotten none of those questions correct. So you guys did incredible. So thank you guys for coming on. Thomas Wong for just the wealth of knowledge added to the show, and also obviously a male model himself. Tracy, always a pleasure hosting with you. I know we're running a little late. Any last words, Tracy?
Not at all. You guys, if you enjoyed this, please let us know. So we'll have this game show again in the future. But yeah, it was fun. Thank you again, Thomas, and all of our contestants for coming on the show. It was awesome. So yeah, Dan, next week. Catch you then.
Tune in.
Right.
Like, subscribe. What's going with the likes? Hit those likes button, subscribe. Mess with the YouTube algorithm. Get notifications next time we pop up with the show. Next week, same time, 4:15, 4:45 Eastern. You guys are great. Thank you. See you guys later.
What's up?